Might be selling the Dodges today. Then that fin, when I got that wing, it just like overdid it.
Yeah.
Wholesale book on that car is $80,457, and retails $83.
Ooh, it's looking good. Ooh, it's ice cold too. That's when you know it's VVS. Be cool. Like I say, man. Be cool, man. Out, man. Hey. Later made a joke this morning. I told the nanny, yeah, I'm still here.
Yeah.
Like, damn. Like the haters on the internet.
Oh, yeah.
Thought he was gonna croak and I could take his spot. Man, beautiful day. Living, man. Uh-oh, it's going off. Every time my heart rate go up, it go off.
We just standing.
That vest. Nah, excited, laughing, like having fun. They don't want me to have fun. You know what I mean?
Is that a hater?
Yeah. Vest don't want me to have fun, man. I gotta kinda tone my fun down a little bit. But yeah, we about to go to Tire Stickers, get these stickers taken off. The Mclaren, I just don't like them no more. That wing brought it out a lot, so I don't even need the stickers. I might wrap it later on, I don't know. Have some fun with it, because I am gonna keep it for about a year. Might be selling the Dodges today.
That's facts.
Jewelry. Got a few things to do today. I got about 2-3 hour limit to be out. Then my machine started going crazy. Like, oh, you've been out too long. You've been out too long.
Yeah.
Like an ankle monitor, like I'm in prison.
Right.
Thank all you guys for all the positive prayers and all the negative people got something negative to say.
That's right.
Just want a clean black wall.
Yeah, with this. Cause it got enough yellow. Then that fin, when I got that wing, it just like overdid it. You know what I'm saying?
You think so?
Yeah, look good as like you don't need that else with that. Darker oranges and yellow. You know what I mean?
Yeah, fair
It
enough.
go with the Dodge, but this I just don't.
I think you made the right call personally when you said it, because like it doesn't like set it off enough. You know, it's not the same color. But you're right, on my car it looks, because of the black and orange, because it's like the contrast. The contrast isn't like that on this.
Yeah, fair enough.
Personally.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a difference.
But I'm an artist, you know what I mean?
You are?
Yeah.
You self-proclaimed everything.
That's right, I'm a genius.
This motherfucker, he just proclaimed himself a genius.
That's right.
Awesome.
He said he had the new style.
You got an island boy, buddy. Okay.
I gotta keep that confidence up, man.
Yeah, exactly. You gotta believe it, homie.
Shit.
I gotta take care of something in your beard. You can't have the internet.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
Miles.
You're not looking out for colleagues.
I can do better. I'm so in love with the chatter. I'm so in love with my little boo. It was written like a letter. Think I was born with the juice. Think I was born with the sauce. Think I was born a little crazy. Then I turned up to a boss. Gotta go and get it. I keep running up the digits. Lost my mind, I gotta fix it. Kill the beat, cold kid. Need to change the way I'm living. Better keep it on trend. You know that I'm a trendsetter.
Sorry, my head, I'm laughing like what?
You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better. Yeah.
Over this car, yeah. Next, 720 next. You know, I had to start from somewhere, right? What they call this, the entry?
Base model, yeah, entry model.
Model entry, man. The cleanest thing on the highway. Is the base model the cleanest? I don't know what to say, man. I'm alive, drive this beauty. Get to be with my kids, family, hyphy whitey, small circle of friends, you know, business partners. So I'm living, man. Look at the car. Show me that carbon fiber, bro. Look at that carbon fiber right there, man. Now it's time to go pick up my jewelry, see what's up with the hyphy whitey car. And yeah, we about to be roaming, baby. Let's roll! Go wide! Go wide!
Well, what happened?
No, I just didn't sell it. I was shopping around and.
Trade in for that Tesla.
Huh?
Do it.
You want to trade in for that Tesla?
I thought you were gonna get a Lamborghini. I saw that video too.
Oh yeah, we go
Oh, how's
upgrade.
your heart, man? Everything okay?
Nah, I gotta hook it up to this now.
Your heart?
Yeah.
Holy Jesus, you gotta take care of yourself, brother.
I thought I was. Do you guys ever do consignment?
Consignment for what?
The cars? Where we put them on the lot?
I hit somebody.
Let me ask. Just this
Yeah,
one
who?
or both of them?
Nah, we got 4.
Yeah, he wants to.
All my Dodgers.
Yeah.
So I got the track hog.
No, I'm keeping that.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm keeping that.
So you got the Durango, Charger, Challenger, and Charger.
Whew. All right, give me 1 second. Let me check. Okay.
All right.
Put them up.
Oh no, we already came in. And we came in last week. You wasn't here.
Yeah.
And we did all the paperwork and all that. You know, with mine, they all modded out. So I want to hunt it for each. Yeah, that's crazy. Y'all wouldn't do consignment. Y'all go win 20, 30,000. You know what I mean?
Because the cars are famous.
No, he wants to, man. It's just the owners, you know.
But you know, after being in the supercar, all this you feel regular driving in, man.
Yeah, that's right.
Don't nobody care. Uh-oh, SRT, is that red eye? Oh, it's a stick, manual. It ain't a red eye. They didn't make manuals in red eye.
Wholesale book on that car is 80,457, and retails 83. I'm gonna go to 87, but I'm gonna need your guys' help getting out of that car. Maybe make a little video. I just traded it. I just traded on my car.
Right here. We gonna do a video. We doing
I'll
it.
do that.
Yeah.
What you talking about? Yeah, look, I'm already doing it.
Do the So, we'll
Bro, of course
buy
we're
'em all.
gonna do that.
We'll buy them all.
Okay.
Let's do it. What do you want to be to make you happy?
If we could just pay them all off. Go get this jewelry, man. I feel naked. I'm gonna start wearing that though. I gotta keep track of my heart rate. They resized my rings over here, and they had to redo my what they call it, the bezel.
Oh yeah, the bezel.
Watch. Yeah. No, I just buy stuff. I don't be concerned with the little terms and you know. I just buy it, bro. I let them figure out what to do, name. You know what I mean? Just show me where the bank at and how to get to the real money. That's it. I be real cottonmouth now, so that's why I drink a lot of water. All them pills ain't good, man. And they got me on magnesium. So magnesium also supposed to help fire the heart, put the electricity to the heart or whatever. So it always amazed me down here, all these little stores and stuff.
Yeah.
Optometry. That's why I got anxiety the other day we came down here. That Durango, wah, wah, hella loud, everybody looking. I got paranoid. Fit it.
Yeah.
Fit it. Fit it. Why are we always kind of wearing the same color? Feeling naked.
Look, we got a new haircut.
Who did?
Mike got a new haircut.
So did you, our new style.
Oh yeah, new style, baby.
What it is, they put a sealer, okay? So it's like like when it came off, you probably saw it's like glue. It's like a sealer. So what it could have been is that you hit it, or it was like a pressure that pulled it off.
Oh, okay, yeah.
You just have to be careful because I know you work out and it's sometimes. No,
not lately.
yeah, but sometimes you just gotta be careful because something could like make it loose or knock it off. It'll come off again.
I think I did hit it.
Yeah, that's all it is. So you just gotta be careful with it.
Ooh, it's looking good. Ooh, it's ice cold too. That's when you know it's VVS. When it's ice cold. What I owe you guys? Yeah, that feels perfect. Tight and perfect.
25 and 25 for the size. It's just 50.
Well, oh yeah, way better.
This is a longer one right here. Cuban.
So yeah, I'm gonna have to.
But just try it so you can see the size. This is a little bit thicker, a lot heavier, but it's longer. This is 24 inches, just so you can see how the size is.
So yeah, I gotta come get. I'm thinking about that big one you guys got.
Sold it.
Oh, you already sold it?
Yeah.
Well, I know you'll get another one. Oh, I kind of like mine better, my size. I like the thickness on it. What that one going for?
26.5.
Next one I get is that one.
That big one.
Yeah.
For more great videos from Kali Muscle, hit the subscribe button or click the video now.